Hey, good morning. Okay, I got a quick question. Yesterday I had to take the bike to the dealer to change out the shelter. It had that shipping damage on it from when it was delivered. And when I got it back, I noticed it was just sitting there idling, and I heard this rattle. Well, it's this side shield. It's sitting here rubbing on the windshield and rattling. This one's not. It's never done that before. So I was trying to, I was looking at it and go, what in the heck changed? I mean, obviously the windshield didn't change, just the shelter. And I noticed that when I go over here and I look at these little wings, and if you look down in the hole here, if I can capture this, they sit there and move in and out. Is that normal? Did they, I don't know. Now they both do it, so it's not just the one side. I don't know, as far as I know, there's no adjustments on the arms. So I'm trying to figure out what in the heck changed on her. And that's just irritating as can be, because it does it just sitting here parked at idle. Can you guys look at your bike and tell me if your little wings move like this? I'm going to go head back to the dealer later today when they open and talk to them. I didn't really want to have to rip the whole thing apart. It's a pain in the butt, but we'll see what they say. If they don't do anything, then I will rip it apart. But yeah, let me know. Do yours do the same thing? Do they move in and out with the windshield all the way up? Do they move in and out of that shelter? Is that normal? Seems kind of weird. I don't know why that wouldn't be fixed. Or is there something behind that they didn't capture, and that's why it's sitting farther out? Thanks.